guys, one thing that I want to share on this feet or 8 feet, it's the best way to get the alternator out of there. It's going to be the removing your EGR valve, which is this one. Remove your EGR and remove the the studs goes in there, so that it should be 2 studs. And this is one of the studs that I have from there. And what I did, it's each stud used let me get the other stud. Okay, right here. So each stud used one nut on each side. So what I did, I used the ratchet right here, and then put the first nut right here, and then put this next to it, and then another one on top of it. So to get it out, I use it like that. Let me see if I can. I don't have the stand with me, so you can hold the camera for me. So what I did, I used like that, and I used the my ratchet right here, to hold this one tight, and then loose this one, and then it should make the stud come off. So I removed both of it out of there, which it goes right here. The EGR goes right here on those studs right there. So I removed the studs. Ain't not that hard. After you remove the studs, and then you remove the cooling hose to the EGR, and that's going by it. I mean, like, there is nothing else that you have to remove out of the way, because the alternator goes right here. So the best way to do it should be removing your EGR valve and your studs right here. Get it out of there, and then you're gonna have access to the belt and gonna have access to the alternator. So if you're trying to remove your alternator, that's the best way that you can go. And I mean, it's not that hard even to remove the whole intake, So just remove the EGR, and it should be easy to go. All right, guys. So hope that tip helps. And any question, leave in the comments. And I'll see you next time. Peace.